Welcome back, artistic family. Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Newcomers, thank you for stopping by. Okay guys, we're back with another series. I'm going to go in progression, so I'm going to start with the smallest one first. So we will be using Liquitex Professional Modeling Paste, and I'm going to be doing like a kind of half waved curved design, pretty medium to thick texture. Okay, very elegant and modern. We will be using the classics, the white, the silver, and the gold, and we also will be using some gold leaf as well. add these gorgeous gemstones. Okay, we're gonna add those, and they're kind of like in a silver, and then like an onyx color gemstone, and then you could say like white or champagne. And the colors kind of shift and change on these somewhat depending on the light. And that's just gonna add to the elegance and the beauty of that gold leaf. And I'm gonna lay them in from light to dark, starting down here. And we're just gonna spread out the design and kind of follow this kind of circular motion. You guys know what I'm going to say, right? Oh, I love it. I'm in love. Of course I am. My colors, plus I love texture. I've got some bling. Oh my gosh. Girl's best friend. Okay, so as I mentioned, I love, if you guys watch my textured playlist, you guys know that I love using the sponge to create like this kind of soft concrete look, which is why I wanted this smooth. And again, you can really see the silver underneath it. It's just not plain white. Okay, it is layered. And then I wanted that texture for interest as well along the outsides. And I will be spraying this, of course, sealing it, and I have to as well, especially with the gems on it. But I'm just so in love with this. I am so in love with this, and I'm very, very, very pleased with the placement. And I was pretty particular. You guys saw about 1 minute out of like, I don't know, an hour maybe, close to an hour, maybe 45 minutes. So I laid the gemstones on, placed them, kind of organized and designed it. Made sure I went with the flow of the design. You guys know about me, flow and movement. And it almost looks like abstractly like its own kind of gem flower because I did that. And I just love the flow, and I wanted the smaller round ones here to accentuate the curve and again add some interest. It just wouldn't have been the same if I had kept the same pattern the whole way. Now once the light, just imagine the light, depending on where this would be placed in your home, and the reflection and that gorgeous kind of color shift. You can see some purples and reds. I will clean the top of these up really good because my fingers and all that stuff was on them before I spray it. But this is literally, excuse the pun, a gem. I am in deep love with this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please take a look at my abstract and textured playlist that I will link for you. And share to everybody. Show them this love and bling. I appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next pour or painting.